Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Love and this is Budget with Love. So we are going to be cash stuffing for July 7th, which is today. Y'all will be seeing this tomorrow. So it's gonna be a little different. My husband brought home $1,072.52. I brought home nothing. It was my birthday week, so I didn't do a lot of work, to be honest with you. I am going to be depositing $869. We had $240 rolled over because I did not pay my HOA yet, so that gave us a grand total of $2,181.52. The bills that we are taking out: my husband's student loan, Capital One, gas company, our power bill, and of course we got to pay our HOA fees. Normal stuff for our envelopes: groceries, gas, vape, my allowance, my lunch, my husband's allowance, his lunch. And then our sinking funds, we'll get to that in just a second. Our extra debt will include my credit card, Lewis's student loan, and our mortgage. So we're gonna start off with our wallet. This one here is the one I always try to start off with, and we do have something a little different this time. I did get me some birthday money, so I have that sitting here. I'm going to put that down. This is going to go aside because this is going to go to another envelope that I would rather put that towards. Gas. I got to brighten this up just a smudge. Alright, gas is also going to go to the side. We're going to be putting $20 into here. And then vape, we're going to be putting $40. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Y'all know my rule: $100 max, and vape, whatever extra goes somewhere else. So I'll be putting this off to the side too. And I know that this is probably a question: well, why do you still include this? Is because this is my main priority to fill up, and then I have other things like these are going to go to my car to pay for tires and little things that need to be fixed and our inspection and things along those lines. So because I physically cannot put this towards it as of yet, this is just how I've been doing it to kind of grow that a little bit faster. We don't make a lot of money during the summer. Summer is very hard on us, so I have to do things like this just so that it all still works out and we're still saving money. So for holiday or home maintenance, it's going to get $5. I did clean off all of these and I will update them at the end. I am putting my first $5 into home maintenance. Like I said, I emptied this, paid bills, and we're starting fresh all over again. Nothing goes into medical. Yard work gets $33. So here's 20, 30, 1, 2, and 3. We should just have $1 in here. We do. So that's 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. And I keep breaking these off. There it goes. Alright, car maintenance. Like I said, we are going to be putting whatever's in this pile over here. So we'll be adding 2, 4, 5, 55, 56, 57. Add 57 to it. So now in car maintenance we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Which is perfect because I've got to get me a bunch of stuff for my husband's car. My car for the most part is good. So I fixed everything on my car, so this is all strictly for my husband's car. And that should be it for this. Nope, we got to add to the hair. That's where this comes into play. So we got a 50 and 2 5, so we're putting 60 towards that. So now we're at 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92. I want this to be close to 500 so I can get my hair and my kids' hair done. So that's where we're at with that. And our last one is our holiday. we are putting, how much are we putting? We're putting $5 into Liam's birthday. I didn't do all of these. Daggone. And we're just starting out his, so I'm just going to slip that one in there. There's no family birthdays we're working on. There's no back to school. We are going to start our back to school because my kids go to school in August. They don't go to school in September. They don't start school in September, I should say. They start school in August, so now we're starting that fun. So that is going to be it for all of my cash stuffings, guys. I always feel like these videos are really, really fast. And maybe just because I've done these for so long, like not the videos itself, but my cash stuffing. Y'all have seen, I think, like a year of cash stuffing when really I've been doing this for like 5-6 years. So I don't spend a lot of time with my cash stuffing, and I do apologize if y'all prefer longer videos. I am more so a quick and to the point kind of gal, so that's why we just kind of dive right into it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next Saturday for another one. Bye, guys!